Dear students, today we will discuss about activity 10.1.4. That means the activity in chapter 10, router configuration. Okay, so 10.1.4. So the PDF file I will show you first. The PDF file for that is sht.edu.in. Go to e-learning. Go down here. I put the upload the video. So not video, the PDF file first of all. So this is the PDF file. This one. So PDF file, configure initial router settings, verify default router configuration, configure verify initial router configuration, save the running configuration. Okay. So first thing, part one, verify default router configuration. So for that, what I'm going to do is open the topology. So do not use guest account, use the your account and your email ID. Okay. Rajesh sorry, Gmail in email ID. Okay. .com. Now see, there is no connection between router and PC. I cannot go and directly connect. Okay, what I will do is I want to go for the console connection. See, I'll go for the console, go for the PCA, RS232 router console like this. Okay, see, they also told like same thing. Results. RS232 PCA, R1 console, PC desktop terminal. Click OK, enter R1. Okay, so after that, what I will do, I'll go to the PCA, then go to desktop, then terminal, then OK. Now I am into the router. Okay, now step 1 done. Step 2, enter the privilege mode, examine the current configuration. So how do we enter the privilege mode? This is user exit mode by default. So to enter the privilege mode, hash mode, I have to type enable. After that, I want to examine the current configuration. What is there in the RAM? Okay, so show running config, show run. Then you have to note down what is the router's host name, how many fast Ethernet interfaces router having, how many gigabit Ethernet interfaces router having, how many serial interfaces router having, what is the range of values shown for VTY and telnet lines. All these things I want to display. First thing, I want to go to the computer, see, enable. Now what is the host name? Router. So here I already answered. What is the host name? Router. Okay, before that what I need a running configuration. Okay, show run. When I type this, I will get host name is router. Yes, so I mentioned here host name router. How many fast Ethernet interfaces router having? So I'll go here and I will enter like this. Go press enter key. Go down, go down, go down. So giga is 0 bar 0, 0 bar 1. So 2 giga internet. Okay, gigabit Ethernet interfaces. So 2 gigabit Ethernet. Okay, I already answered because to save the time. Okay, then serial. How many serial? 000 So 2 serial interfaces. So serial is 2. Now what about fast Ethernet? Fast Ethernet, see 0 bar 1 bar 0. Then 0 bar 1 bar 1. So 1 bar 2 3, 1 bar 3 4. So 4 fast Ethernet interface. Okay, a range of values for VTY. So range of values of VTY. See, VTY is 0 to 4. There is the range 0 to 4. Okay, that's answered. Now display the current configuration of NVRAM. So Mr. What is RAM and NVRAM? I told you many times, RAM means random access memory. When the power goes off, the data will be removed. Okay, but NVRAM means here even if the power goes also, the data will be stored. That is non-volatile RAM. How do we display the content of NVRAM? Show startup config. Okay, so here go to hash mode. Show just start is enough. Start enough. It is showing that startup config not present. Okay, not present. Why does the router respond with startup config not present message? Because we didn't save anything, right? We are just in the RAM and we didn't do that copy run start, or we didn't do WR. Because of that, the running configuration is not stored into startup. Okay, So that's the reason this displays a message because configuration file was not saved to NVRAM. It is now in the RAM only, not in NVRAM. Okay. And configure and verify initial router configuration. So we are going to configure the host name, the message of the day banner, encrypt all plain text passwords, privilege exec unencrypted and enable password, privilege exec encrypted and enable secret password, console password, everything we are going to configure now. Okay. So first thing is R1 host name. So you know how do we go to the configuration mode? Conf space T. So what is the command for configuring host name? Mr. Ahmad, host name capital R1. Okay. After that, message of the day, any banner. Okay. So keep the copy. Okay, the text should be copied because sometimes you get the 100% marks, so we need to type the same thing. So banner MOTD double quotes whatever is you copied from the message for the question is that. Then what we have, encrypt all plain text passwords. So service password encryption. Okay. Then privilege exec unencrypted yani enable password Cisco. So I will put enable password Cisco and privilege exec encrypted yani enable secret password, it's a secret. Enable secret password, it's a secret. Okay. After that, console is let me in. So console, you know, we have to add line command, line on 0 password let me in, login exit. Okay. So verify the initial settings on R1. So how to verify? Show running config. Okay. So how do we set the check the initial settings? Exit, show, run. Now you can say you can see service password encryption command for encrypting all passwords. Host name is R1. Enable secret password. Enable password. And see enable secret comes on top. Okay, that is a more priority one compared to password. Okay, enable password. Then we have banner message, console message, sorry, console password. Okay. Now what else we have is console is now available. Go to the console. Okay, how you go back to the console? So this is user exec mode. I want to go back. Now this is they're asking console password. First thing we can see is banner message comes, then they are asking the console password. So my console is let me in. Okay. Then why should every router have a message of the day banner? So why we need this banner message is warning to the unauthorized users. Example, say I am running a company and I am having many devices. Okay, so if unauthorized persons, a person without permission, maybe a hacker or someone enter my machine, enter my router or switch, means the warning message will first show. Okay, so if you are entering my router or switch without permission, you will be prosecuted, you will be punished. Okay, that's what banner message gives the unauthorized users a warning. Okay. So if you are not prompted for a password before reaching user exit prompt, what console line command you forget to configure? Okay, example, in the console you forget to give the login command. So what happens? The password prompt will not be there. You cannot enter that. There's no password prompt. Okay, so this is line console password. Let me in login exit. This login is very important. If you don't give login command, the password prompting it will not be there. You cannot enter the user exit. Okay. Why would enable secret password allows access to privilege exec mode and enable password no longer available? Okay, see here, I am going to test the enable passwords. Okay, we give two passwords, right? Enable secret password and enable password. Enable password was Cisco and enable secret password was, I think it's a secret. Let me check. It's a secret. See. First we gave enable password Cisco, then we gave enable secret Cisco. Sorry, enable secret, it's a secret. So which one is going to be enter? Okay. So we are going to the enable. I am entering Cisco, first of all, okay, CISCO, it's not accepting because enable password is having less priority than enable secret. Now enable secret as configured means that has more priority. So what is the password of enable secret? It's a secret. You will enter. Okay. So here is the answer. Enable secret password overrides the enable password. It has more priority than enable password. Both are configured means you must enter enable secret password to enter the privilege mode. We had two enable password. One was normal unencrypted Cisco enable password. Another one encrypted yani enable secret. It's a secret password. Okay, so this one has more priority. So you have to enter this one. This is not there, then you can enter this password while testing. Okay, Bhagav. Then what is the command to configure all passwords on the router? See, encrypted. Every password should be encrypted means we use the command service password encryption. Encrypts all the passwords. Okay. Now save the running configuration to NVRAM. How do we save it? Copy running config startup config, or we can say copy run start. Okay. How do we save the configuration to NVRAM? Copy run start. Enter, or WR. Enter. Okay. Now how do I check the startup configuration? Show startup or start. Now I can see the startup is being updated with host name, password encryption, enable secret, everything is updated. Okay, this is the video 4. Again, some more is there. Some commands are there. If optional, okay. If you want to save the startup configuration to flash, we have flash memory here in the Cisco device. Okay, we want to save into flash memory. What I need to do is first I will show the show flash. Okay, what is the content of flash memory? So first I will show you the content of flash memory. Show flash. So there will be 3 files. Okay, files are 3. Then which of the files would you guess is iOS image? Okay, so the image file, the Cisco iOS image file, the OS file, where is that? So here they mentioned this one, C1900. Let me check in our machine. Same. Whichever is bin file, C1900 universal K9 MZ SPA 15. This is a bin file. This is a binary file. This is the iOS file. Okay, copy this one. So 3 files are there. This one iOS file, then 2 XML file. Okay, so in the flash memory. Okay, so show flash means the flash memory we have 3 files, 1 2 3 1 2 3. The first one is bin file and iOS image, the remaining 2 are XML files. So this one I have to copy paste into the Word file. I think it's same thing. Just I will show you again. Okay, why do you think this file is iOS image? So depends upon, so it is .bin at the end of the file means this is iOS image. Okay, if see the file name has extension ending with .bin, binary file or ISO file, extend with bin. Okay, save the startup configuration to flash using the follow command. Now what I'm going to do, the whatever startup configuration I have, I'm going to save into flash memory. So why we need this? When we are having the TFTP and all that time we need this. Okay, so for taking backup of startup configuration we need this one. So what I will do is copy startup config flash. Okay, so I will just copy startup flash. Now this much, whatever I have saved in the startup configuration is now moved into flash, and how many bytes we moved? 1276 bytes. Depends upon the number of commands you are entering. Okay, this much seconds only taken. Okay, this much bytes per second. See the bandwidth or the speed. Okay, so use show flash command to verify startup configuration stored in the flash. So go for again show flash. See now 4 files added, 3 2 1 4. Fourth one is startup config. So my backup of my startup config is now in the flash memory. Okay, number of bytes also increased. This is the activity in 10.1.4 I guess. Okay, see you in another video.